Hello everyone. So what we have in front of us is the dimensional analysis worksheet with all the shapes. And I know some of you were absent, so what we're going to do is we're going to show you basically how to do it. So everything on the top of the line right here is what we like to call a conversion factor. And conversion factors is when you have two quantities that equal each other, as you can see, little equal sign. They equal each other, but they have different units. So the unit here is a star, and the unit here over here is a diamond. All right, so I want to show you how to do number 1. So problem number 1 wants you to start with 9 pentagons, and we're going to figure out how many plus signs that is equivalent to. Alright, so we have to come up to the top right here to find a conversion factor that has pentagons. And as you can see, there's actually 2. So you have this guy right here, 4 pentagons is equal to 1 diamond, and down here you see 6 pentagons is equal to 3 circles. Alright, here's the best part. It doesn't matter which one you choose or which path you choose to get to the plus sign. Either way, doesn't matter, you're going to get the same answer. Super cool. Alright, so I'm choosing to use the conversion factor that 6 pentagons is equal to 3 circles. Alright, so the way dimensional analysis works, you have one rule. You have to cross-cancel the unit. So if you can just remember this one rule, you'll be set. Cross-cancel your unit. Alright, so the conversion factor that I found on the page was 6 pentagons is equal to 3 circles. Alright, to make that not look like 30, I'm going like that. Alright, so I have to cross-cancel pentagons. This guy. So what cross-canceling means is that you have to have the same unit or the same shape here down on the bottom. So here's our conversion factor that we want to use, and I have to put pentagons on the bottom, so I'm going to use 6 pentagons down here. What is 6 pentagons equal to? It's equal to 3 circles. So I have to put that on the top because these guys are equivalent, and that right there is called a conversion factor. And you can think of many conversion factors on your own. For example, 1 day is equal to 24 hours. You guys are really good at time, so like 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Alright, but this is the conversion factor given to you on the paper. And remember, the one rule was that you have to cross-cancel the unit. So now that the pentagons have been cross-canceled, you're stuck on circles. So go back to the paper. We needed a conversion factor that includes circles, and you can't use the one you just used. So down here, do you guys see 3 circles is equal to 2 boxes? Yeah, 2 cubes? 2 cubes? Alright, so 3 circles is equal to 2 cubes. We're going to use that conversion factor in the next spot because the question wants you to go to plus signs and we're not there yet. So let's keep going. I'm going to cross-cancel the circles. So here's my conversion factor. It looks like I need to put 3 circles down on the bottom. What is 3 circles equal to? 2 squares. Okay. Alright. Circles are gone, but now I'm stuck on boxes. Alright, let's find another conversion factor. 3 boxes is equal to 6 squares. Let's get that. So, one more time. 3 boxes equal to 6 squares. Like that. Alright, cross-cancel those dang boxes. So, down here you see it. 3 boxes. So, hold on. 3 boxes is equal to 6 squares. Do you see how I lined up the boxes so that they cross cancel? All right, we didn't answer the question yet. We're not to the plus signs yet. All right, we just used this conversion factor that has the squares, but this one also has squares, and it looks like it takes us to plus signs. Very nice. All right, so 3 squares is equal to 1 plus sign. All right, double check that. Yep. So 3 squares is equal to 1 plus sign. So come over here, let's cross cancel. 3 squares equal to 1 plus sign. Cross cancel. All right, every shape has been cross-canceled, but I think you see this, the numbers are left behind. You can actually do this entire worksheet without a calculator. Let me show you how. So if you have a number on the top, it's being like multiplied. If you have a number on the bottom, on the denominator, it's being divided. So if you look, you have 6 on the numerator here, and you have 6 on the denominator here. See how far apart they were? Doesn't matter. You get rid of them. Ooh-wah. I crossed them off because they cancel. Alright, so I also see a 3 right here, and I see a 3 down on the bottom. They cancel. Alright, here's the hard part. So not only can you cross-cancel the number, but you can also simplify. So you see the 9, and you see a 3. So it's kind of like if you had a fraction of 9 over 3. Doesn't that simplify? So 3 goes into 9 3 times. 3 goes into itself once. You see it? Alright, so we are going to reduce or simplify. So I'm going to change that to a 3 because 3 goes into 9 3 times. 3 goes into itself once. Okay. Do you see that you can keep going? Yeah. You have a 3 right here, and you have a 3 way over there. They're going to cancel. Done. Alright, all we have left are a bunch of 1s, and then this 2 right here. Anything times 1 or divided by 1 is itself, so you can totally ignore it. That's nice, right? So the only real number that you have left is 2. And the shape that you have left is a plus sign. Guess what? That's your final answer. Sweet, huh? Hey guys, this is the general idea of how to do the Dimensional Analysis Shapes worksheet. I hope this has helped, and if you have any questions, come see me. I'm more than glad to help.